If you're a photographer or a videographer, today we're diving into why your website should be a problem solver and not just a portfolio showcase. Welcome to FlashFilm Academy. If this is your first time on this channel is designed to help you understand the business side of content creation. If you want to take pretty pictures and do a lot of filters to help your girlfriend look a little bit cuter, this ain't the channel, fam. But if you want to learn how to get that bag, you are in the right place. So first, let's talk about understanding clients' needs. Most photographers and videographers have portfolio that show off a great amount of talent. But here's the twist. Clients are often more interested in how you can address their specific needs. Your website should speak directly to this. It should clearly outline how your services solve problems, whether it's capturing a brand's essence or creating an unforgettable event. Your website needs to answer questions. And if your website doesn't answer questions, you will not have the ability to convert a website visitor into a lead. Up next, let's talk about showcasing the solution and not just the skill. It's not just about the quality of your work, it's about the context. Use your website to show how your skills have solved real problems. Include case studies or testimonials where your work has led to tangible results, like increasing a brand's engagement or capturing the essence of the event properly. Remember how I talk about how results matter? This is the time to show how your talent, your skill set, your creativity has provided results for your previous clients. And if you don't have previous clients, think about Module 1, guys. For those of you that are gold members, check out Module 1 because we talk about how to get beta clients and what you need from those beta clients. I get a lot of people who have seen the YouTube side of things. They run out and get a beta client and they don't understand what they should be doing with that beta client and how to get the most out of that relationship. The next part is making it easy for your clients. Your website should be a smooth journey into solving your clients' problems. This means easy navigation, clear service descriptions, and a straightforward way to contact you. Remove any guesswork from your website. Let your website guide them to the solution they need. This is why I'm really big on one-page websites right now. I am not about making all these crazy websites with 20 pages. Solve one problem well, give them a landing page that goes through that process, and turn that website visitor into a lead, and then turn that lead into a client. Down in the comments, I want to hear about what solution your company provides. In fact, if I see some good ones, I'll jump on there and give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or maybe I'll explain why this may be a good thing or a bad thing. For those of you who are just getting started, go over to FlashFilmAcademy.com and download our free Capture and Convert kit. It's 5 free courses and 2 free ebooks to help you get more clients. In part 2 of this video, we're going to discuss why your website needs to do this for your clients, and I'm going to give you tips on how to do it. That's available to our gold members over at FlashFilm Academy. Now, what I need you to do is think of your website as a bridge, connecting clients to solutions, not clients to pretty pictures, not just a gallery of your work. This is why I'm so against portfolio websites, because they don't answer any questions. They just show people images. Portfolio websites are only good when you're working with agencies, and agencies are solving the problem for their client and they're just plucking you in to take pictures. Or if you are a freelancer and you're not a project manager, companies aren't hiring you to solve a problem outside of taking pictures. We want to do way more than just take pictures in 2024. And to make big money, to get the big check, you need to solve a problem. You don't need to just take pictures or video. I can hire anybody to take pictures or video. The company that solves the problem makes the money. And what they do, they hire some guy off the street for a couple dollars an hour to take the picture. So make sure you're not presenting yourself as a button pusher, but you're presenting yourself and your brand as someone who solves a problem for a specific target audience. Don't forget, for more in-depth tips, check out the member section. We're going to go deep in what you need to change on your website to solve a problem. Remember, in a sea of talent, your ability to solve a problem is what makes you stand out. It's the key to turning website visitors into clients. As always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable. Listen, I tell y'all all the time, an Instagram page ain't gonna do it. Like, you need more than that. You gotta solve a problem. When you solve a problem, people look at your website and be like, man, these are the guys to go with. I gotta go with these guys. And when you solve a problem, man, that price go through the roof. And that's what you want. You want to be able to charge a good amount for your experience and your expertise. The time for just videographers or people showing up to film whatever a client point at, them days are gone, because iPhones can do that. They don't need you. You have to change with the industry. Stop listening to old 1988 methods of making money in this industry and get with the 2024, 2025 methods of making money. It's all up to you. See y'all in part 2.